Hey guys, Anthony here with a review on DesignCap, a free cloud-based graphic design app with which you can create social media graphics like Facebook covers and post images, professional images for your Instagram posts, create YouTube thumbnails for your videos, posters and flyers, banners, brochures, and business cards, professionally designed infographics, and you can even create different types of presentations using these templates. And there is so much more that I cannot cover in this short review video. You can create graphic designs from scratch using the blank canvas, or use many of the professionally designed pre-made templates. These are some of the YouTube thumbnail templates. So for example, I can choose this one by clicking on it, and you'll see it on the canvas. I can then edit anything on this template. For example, I can go to the Photos section and search for fitness-related photos using the search box. Let me scroll down and choose this one by dragging and dropping it in the image placeholder like so. I can then double-click on the image and zoom in or zoom out by using the slider to get it in the right place. Similarly, I can replace the image in the other two placeholders by dragging and dropping them like so. I can even edit any of the text by clicking on it and changing it like so. You can even click on any element and use this contextual toolbar to change the font and even the color. For example, I can use this red like so. I went ahead and changed the color for the other elements as well. You can then save the project to edit later or download it. You can also share it directly on your social media. There is so much more in DesignCap. For example, you can create different kinds of charts by entering real data and producing charts like this one. You'll find different types of pre-made text blocks. This module section is packed with a lot of professionally designed pre-made elements. For example, this is a pre-made timeline slide which can be fully customized. And here is another one. And by the way, there is so much more in each of these sections for you to explore. I will be creating several DesignCap tutorials to showcase specific features, so I'll keep this video short. In terms of improvements, I would like to see the ability to add shadow to elements like text, shapes, and pictures. But overall, it's a very useful online graphic design tool and it's free to use. But they also have a couple of premium plans with more features, functionality, and templates. Check the link in the description section to try it for free. Well, hope you found this DesignCap review helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.